Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from PayPal in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from PayPal in the USA, start by logging into your PayPal account on the official website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, typically found at the top of the page. In the Wallet section, you will see your available balance displayed prominently. Next, look for the Transfer Funds option, which may be highlighted or located near your balance. Click on Transfer Funds to proceed to the withdrawal options. You will be presented with different withdrawal methods, such as transferring to your bank account or withdrawing to a debit card. Select the option that best suits your needs, such as Transfer to Bank Account. If choosing to transfer to a bank account, ensure your bank is linked to your PayPal. If your bank account is not linked, you will need to add it before proceeding. To link a bank account, click on Link a Bank Account and follow the prompts to enter your banking information. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Transfer Funds section. Indicate the amount you wish to withdraw. PayPal may show you the estimated arrival time for the funds, which can vary based on the withdrawal method. After reviewing the details, click Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation notice that your withdrawal request is being processed. Depending on the chosen method, the transfer may take a few minutes to several business days. Once completed, you will receive a notification from PayPal regarding the status of your withdrawal. To track your withdrawal, you can check the Activities section in your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, visit the PayPal Help Center for assistance. Remember to always review your transactions to ensure accuracy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.